So today I'm going to be teaching you an AMAPIANO dance challenge, and it looks like this. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting your time, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, back to another YouTube video. My name is Robin, and today I'm going to be teaching you an AMAPIANO dance challenge. So many of you have been requesting this AMAPIANO dance challenge, and I thought, why not, bro? If you're new to this channel, don't forget to push that subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting your time, let's get it. This is your right because this is my right, and this is your left because this is my left. This video is mirror. And without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Alright, so our first move is going to be a roll. So you're gonna roll your hands like going back like this, yeah? And then you're gonna go down. If you want, you can always like do a bounce when you do it, but it's a roll, yeah? So you're gonna do it in 3 counts. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? Let's try one more time. You're gonna roll. So you go 1, 2, 3. So without doing any movement, the move looks like this. So it's your toe pushing your heel out like that. Yeah. And then your right leg is gonna go back. So you're gonna step back. So when you step back, your heel moves this side. So it's like this. Did you get it? So move back. Yeah. And then when you move back, you're gonna tap there and then tap there. Did you get it? It's pretty simple. So when it's there, your leg comes and taps there, and then this one you put it on your heel, you come back, and then this one you put it on your heel. So together it will look like this. 1, ta, 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 ta. Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You move there, 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 there. This is where you end on your left. Let's try that one more time in 5, 6, 7, 8. Push there, 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 there. So your second movement is going to be from here. You're gonna go 1, 2. Did you get it? So you're gonna shake your leg 2 times, and then you're gonna step. Yeah. Perfect. Let's try one more time from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go tap, tap, and then you step, you step, you step, you shake this side. 2, 1, 2, 3. You go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then your hands are gonna go, they're gonna switch, yeah? That's what you're gonna do. And then try and crouch. So every time you do this movement. So I wanna try and do the leg movement. It's just like this, yeah? That's how you do the leg movement, yeah? And then the double is just a spice, yeah? Double. Or 2. Or 2. Or 2. 2. Nice. You want to do this move 2 times in the routine. So from the top in 5, 6, 7, 8. Push there, 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 there. Shake 1, 2, 3. Go. Shake 1, 2, 3. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You push there, 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 there. You go tap, tap. 1, 2, 3. You go tap, tap. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. To move on. So our next move is pretty simple. It's going to be hand here, and you're gonna push your leg forward twice. So you're gonna go 1, 2, yeah? But I'm gonna teach you how to do it even in the routine because it might be complicated. So in the routine, this is how you do it. You go 1, 2. You got it? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2. Nice. We want to try from the top until there in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, ta, 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 da, da. 1, 2, 3. You go da, da. 1, 2, 3. And then you go da, 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 da. Nice. We continue. So after da, 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 you're gonna tap here, here, down, swipe. So when you swipe, your heel moves this side, and then this leg goes this side. So together, it's gonna look like this. Did you get it? So heel going this side, this one going this side, like that, right? So and then your hand twist like that, right? So it's a ta 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 ta. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Swipe. Did you get it? Let's try from here. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Go da 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 da. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go da 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 da. One more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. You go ta 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 da 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 da. Get it? We continue. So now we're gonna try and use our waist. So you wanna shake your right hip to the left. Yeah, you wanna shake your right hip to the left, and then you wanna go down. So you go 1, and then you go down with your right, and then your body goes down, right? And then you come back. Did you get it? So it's 1, and then your hand pushes. In fact, it pulls, doesn't push. So you pull your hip inside, and then the second time when you go, your leg goes forward. It's a bit complicated, but I'm sure you can get it. So it's a 1, 1. So this move, you do it 2 times. Yeah. So you go 1, ta, 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 ta. You get it? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ka, ka, da, 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 ka, ka, da, da, da. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ta, 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 da, 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 da. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ta, 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 da, 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 da. Try from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ka, 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 ka. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, 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 ta. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. So we're going to step 3 now. So step 3 is like that. Like that. Pretty simple, right? Step 3 is pretty simple because we're also going to repeat what we did in step 1. So just swipe and then swipe. So if you're going to mix your moves from step 2, 1, ta, 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 and then you go swipe, swipe. Did you get it? Let's continue with step 3. Step 3, after swipe, you swipe and then you do your move from step 1. Did you get it? Perfect. Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, and then you go back, ta, ta, ta. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, and then you go 1, ta, ta, ta. Right? And then you're gonna step with your right. You're gonna go 1, 2, and then you're gonna open your legs. Yeah? So it's gonna be there, right? And then you're gonna change again any way you want. You want 1, 2, 3, and then open, right? But on the first one, it's 2. So it's 1, 2, open. Then 1, 2, 3, go open. Then 1, 2, 3, open. We run step 3 again. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, and then you go 1, ta, 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 right? And then jump there. Ta, da, 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 da. All right, guys, we're gonna try and do this from the top. Yeah, in 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, ka, 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 ta, 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 You go ta 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 ta. You go ta 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 ta. Go taka. You go taka. You go taka taka ta. All right, we're gonna try and do it with the pace of the song. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go ta 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 ta. You go ta 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 ta. You ta 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 ta. Go ta ta. All right, guys, I want to try with the song. Let's go. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, if you watched until this end, thank you so much. And if you want to donate to this channel, my PayPal is down in the description. Every single penny is much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you are notified every time I drop a new video. Anyways, peace out.